Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your very own Ancestry Family History poster on MyCanvas. You'll want to be sure you've created your family trees and added all information into your Ancestry account before beginning this process. Head to the Products section at mycanvas.com and select the Ancestry Family History poster. Here, you can choose between two types of posters. The first is a standard family history poster, which starts with an individual and includes their direct line of ancestors. The maximum number of generations for this poster is 9. The second is a combination family history poster. This starts with a couple and includes their children, plus the direct line of ancestors for each person in the starting couple. The maximum number of generations for this poster is 7. We do not currently offer descendant posters, but we are working on them now, so stay tuned. Select the type of poster and number of generations you'd like, then scroll down and select Continue. If you have an Ancestry account, you'll want to click the Log In with Ancestry button and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Begin by selecting the family tree you'd like to reference on this poster. Then, find the starting person for your tree by typing in their name until you locate them. Select the starting person and select a partner if you'd like. However, adding a partner is optional. Then, select Preview Your Creation in the lower right-hand corner. You will then see a box pop up that reads Building Your Project. When complete, all available information will be added to your poster for you to view and edit. Please reference the additional videos on this channel to learn more about editing photos and text within your poster.